Hello, this is Jerome Surilia, and today I'm going to share to you the postcard that I received today, February 13, 2026. So come, let's get closer and let's have fun. So the first one is from China. This is Great Wall of China. I'm just wondering why that the Philippine Post Office will going to stamp here sa mismong view card, di ba? Nakakainis, pero wag na lang. I can, ano naman yan, ignore. Well, it's really nice. As you can see, ang ganda ng mga stamps niya. Ito, Valentine's Day, may papuso-puso pa. There you go. I really like it. Mukhang high quality yung postcard niya. Next is, I have a stamp from, a postcard from Israel. Diyan din inilagay ang stamp sa yung pag-receive ng Philippines. Israeli flag. And ayun, ang gaganda ng mga stamps niya, di ba? Wonderful. Holy Land Explorers. Yan. Meron pa ata sa baba, scuba diving.
Visited A.
Yun.
Visited A.
Next is ito, pusa din nakasakay sa airplane na nakahilera sila dyan. Pa-cute. This is from Singapore. I'm expecting to receive mga 4 sa kanya. Dumating isa pa lang. Ayan o, February 11, 2026. Crazy, right? Sige na lang. Pwede naman niya istampan dito sa loob. Merry Christmas 2026. 12/17 ano niya. Binili daw niya sa Hong Kong itong ano na to, postcard. Sayang oh, na ganito yung ano niya. Pero it's okay, nalukot. Nice. Next one is this. This is from London. Kasi kapag London ang iniisip ko, red telephone booth. May telephone booth pa ba hanggang ngayon? And then, merong Ferris wheel. London by night. And then, there you go. Si King Charles na pala siya ngayon. Hanggang ngayon, Prince Charles pa rin yung sinasabi ko. Nice. Yeah. This one is from Malaysia. Singapore, Ukraine, and Malaysia National Day joint meet-up. Pero yung ang kaswap ko nito is from Malaysia. Tingnan mo naman dito in-stamp sa face niya. Pwede naman dito sa likod. Ayan yung ano niya. Stamps. Ang cute. Time for Bread is a cute Christmas card, and this is a kitty cat with a child. So this is from stamps ba to? Parang hindi stamps to. This is a fake stamps. Ito yung totoo. From Malaysia. Anak-anak. Nice. Next one is yung sa China. Nakakatawa sila kung nasaan yung doon talaga itinatak. February 11 din na-receive. Nice, isn't it? Yung sa China talaga, yun, ang gaganda ng mga stamps nila. Meetup card. And this one, of course, the sunset niya, itatatak talaga. The beautiful postcard. Diba? Ang ganda. See? Very beautiful. Ang ganda. Meron siyang something na reflective yung mga clouds. Wow. Nice. This one too. Ito ba yung Forbidden City? Wow, very nice. I like it. Thank you. And lastly, ito na siya. I think this is also from China. Marami akong kaswap galing China eh. Beautiful. Gusto ko rin yung mga bridges. Tapos meron pa siyang moon dito. Ang ganda. Okay. Basically, that's everything. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.